To manufacture high-quality brick, you literally have to make them from the ground up. Starting with removing clay and shale from the ground, there is no better natural resource for making the highest quality brick than the Ohio clays and shales mined near the Belden Brick Company's manufacturing plants. It's no accident that Belden's manufacturing plants are in the heart of a region rich in clay and shale of a superior nature. These plentiful supplies of natural resources were a primary reason for locating the Belden Brick Company's operations in this region. Our own clay and shale mines ensure Belden Brick of a reliable source of the finest raw materials. Rich reserves of these valuable resources will provide us with a sufficient supply of raw material for the next 40 years or more. Most of these rich clay deposits are close enough to the surface to be removed with power shovels, excavators, and front-end loaders. A fleet of excavating, mining, and hauling equipment work year-round, supplying our plants with the necessary raw material needed for continuous production. Minutes after being removed from the earth, the raw materials are transported directly to the nearby plants where the process of brick-making begins. We depend on the land to provide our raw materials, but we also realize that we have a responsibility to protect and restore that land. A land rich in clay and shale can sometimes be too rugged and rocky to be of agricultural or development value. But after removing the clay and shale from the earth, we reclaim the land and transform it into fertile and productive farmland that can be used for grazing or growing. Our reclamation efforts may include restoring or creating ponds and streams. These water sources will help support wildlife and enhance the natural environment long after our mining operations are gone. Leaving the land better than we found it through responsible surface mining is essential in the Belden brick-making process. The Belden Brick Company depends on the land for our raw materials, and we commit to restoring that land after removing the clay and shale. Just as we strive to create beauty in the homes and buildings made with Belden brick, we strive to restore beauty in the land through our restoration efforts.